So welcome to MCal4. I'm going to just talk you through doing these triangles here. You have to make 4 of these, which you'll attach to your circle, and I'm going to demonstrate how you do that. I will also demonstrate how to create one of these. It's really super simple. If you don't know how to do a half granny square, that's basically what it is. To save time and fiddliness for the video, I'm assuming by now you all know how to change colour, so I will literally just do it in one colour to make it a nice quick video for you. The other thing I wanted to show you, and it's disappeared, so bear with me a second, was what that actually looks like at the end. So here is one that I haven't stitched onto the main piece yet. And I apologise, yes, there are tails to sew in. Now my best recommendation would be to stitch in your magic ring tail first, which I've done, and then I would work these tails in, working them, let me see if I can grab a wool needle to show you. It might help demonstrate this a little bit quicker. So if you grab your wool needle and thread your tail, this is how I thread in my tails. Also decide which is the front. I normally go by the last row, so if the last row is facing me, then I will make that the front of my work. So here's the white. I'm just going to demonstrate how I do this. I put my yarn through the thickest point I can find, go about halfway through. Let me just zoom in. Go about halfway through, pull it through. This is a very fat needle, sorry. Go back one, so go back one thread, and then push it through as many as you can again. That just locks that thread in place there, or that wool rather. And then go upwards. So I'll go up here, I'll take it up there, and then I would just try and work it in without trying to misplace. It'd probably be better going that way. If I try and don't want to misplace the stitches that are already there, make them look a bit weird. Actually, you know what? No, I'm going to go this way. I'm going to snip it under here, under the purple. So it's really just a case of having a look on your piece. Or, you know, it's probably the same as my piece when you do it, and just seeing where you can find a home for that yarn and just snuck it in. The further you go and the more you double back on yourself. So I'm going to double back again. When I say double back, what I mean is you pull it through and then just go one loop back and pull it through again. And in fact, I'm probably just going to leave it there. I'm going to snip that. So this is where I've worked it through. Don't snip it too close in case you cut. Oh, I'm sorry, I wasn't in camera. Okay, here's where mine comes through. Don't snip it too close to here. You could accidentally snip that. Just snip it a tiny bit away. Normally if I was finished or wasn't going to bother blocking this, I would then just pull it and it would slip under, and I cut it a bit close. So I pull it, cut it, and then slip it back under by pulling it again. But because I haven't blocked any of this yet, and I want to block it first, although it doesn't really stretch much, this yarn, I just want to make sure that I don't have any, you know, threads that will peep through the other side. In fact, I'm already pulling this and it's already disappearing slowly already. So if I pull it, there we go, look, it's gone. There we are, it's gone. So work your tails in to the thickest points and then just double back. Yeah, so that's the half granny square, which you'll be working on your circle, which should be looking like this around about this video. And for those who don't know how to work a half granny square, it's obviously in the pattern, but if you don't know how to do it, I'll just do a quick demonstration for you here now, or in the next video. Actually, I'll do it in the next video, so this one's not too long.